Don't you know that you are so cute? So please stop being so insecure.
Actually yo, adalah suka you, tapi takut je nak bagi tahu you. And I tulis lagu ni untuk confess dekat you. Hopefully you tak marah.
How are you today? I hope you all good. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name Nur Lailatus Shofia, and now I want to explain my presentation about how do I implement my media TikTok as media of blended learning. We know the pandemic virus corona or COVID-19 makes regulation to reduce activities out of home, like working, working, and learning from home, making the change in the fair learning system from direct interacting to line. These conditions must be exercised to prevent the spread of coronavirus in a campus environment. One of the suitable methods to use now is the blended learning method. Blended learning is a learning that combines online learning with face-to-face to achieve education objective. Learning system that appeal to the young generation through TikTok. Okay, the target audience, I use TikTok media as intermediators, contact users, communication tools interesting and interactive for school, children, or other people. I see short videos can be the right media for delivering learning material. Remembering students are currently generation using the internet a lot for online media because of the interactive and interesting nature of short video. The next material, I combine TikTok with the material I take about homophone. Homo means the same, phones means being. So, homophone are the same patterns of sounds but different meaning and writing because the sound is mine. Homophone must confuse its listeners. The next condition of the student and learning. Exception of student interest in media. Message delivered should be considered in media selection. First, TikTok application meets students' learning needs. Second, the TikTok application is attention to student. Third, TikTok has features that can be implemented into learning. Here I tell out the skill of spelling of speaking sound that express state intentions, ideas means to be understand TikTok. TikTok application give easy to entering background into the application. Okay. Procedures for media application. Here, I tell out the skill of speaking or speaking sound that express state intention, ideas meant to be understand. TikTok application give easy to entering background in the application. Like this.
Okay guys, this is my TikTok account for homophone learning practice of blended learning. I don't upload it every day because I'm work. So you can visit and find me on TikTok. Wind and wind. Wind angin dan wind menang. Wind.
The objective of learning. A. Listening skills. Student needs audiovisual learning media to support learning listening skill. In accordance with the character and features of the TikTok application, it can accommodate this audiovisual needs even with the duet feature. It can present cooperative listening learning. B. Speaking skills. The TikTok application provides convenience and flexibility for its users to enter background sounds in the application. Based on these features, the TikTok application and process words that express thoughts or convey meaning, ideas, thoughts, and feelings that are complete and developed according to the needs to the listener. C. Writing skills. The importance of writing skill is determined by the teacher roles as a learning designer in the classroom. Teachers who are to apply, create media and have a great influence on the success of learning. The last, reading skill. Reading is a skill that must be mastered by everyone in addition to the other three language skills. Okay, I mix models blended learning with my media as TikTok. I think a suitable learning model for the coronavirus pandemic is the enriched virtual model. In the model, learning takes place at home at school. Learning is carried out online through live broadcast available on the TikTok feature. My first meeting will explain the meaning of homophone and example of homophone sentence before discussing the next material. I asked the student to review the previous material after that will explain. Student practice making explain and complain sentence based on what they have captured from the material based on the video that was being given text carried independently as through the WhatsApp group so there are other friends know. For the last, I give you the summaries from this video. Based on the explanation and discussion above, it can be concluded that the TikTok application, together with the use appreciated method and techniques, can be used as an interactive learning medium for blended learning. With various features and easy operation, the use of the TikTok application can be implemented in blended learning. This video from me. Thanks for watching. The last video I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you and goodbye.